Welcome to Laundry Room. We believe in clean clothes and a happy life. We are proud to be the #1 laundromat in the Bronx. Laundry shouldn't steal your day. We help you reclaim your weekend, whether that means going to the movies, taking a nap, or being with family. Experience our boutique environment, designed for your comfort. We offer a fully air-conditioned store, high-speed free Wi-Fi, curated background music, and fully stocked vending for your convenience. Our hardware is the biggest and fastest on the planet. We feature brand new Electrolux machines, including washers up to 135 pounds and high-capacity dryers. Get in and out in under 1 hour. Our state-of-the-art tech guarantees the cleanest, softest, and most disinfected results, saving you precious time compared to the old 2 to 3 hour way. It's your schedule, your terms. Experience the unmatched convenience of the Bronx's premier 24-hour laundromat. We are here for late shifts, early mornings, or midnight emergencies. Choose your laundry journey. Options include self-service, drop-off, or our personalized wash and fold service. Self-service excellence. Coin op without the coins. Our fully modernized ecosystem accepts cash, debit, credit, and EBT right at the machine. No more hunting for quarters. The wash and fold blueprint is simple. Drop off your laundry with your preferences, live your life while receiving real-time updates, and pick up fresh, expertly handled laundry. We are tough on dirt, but gentle on the earth. Our advanced Electrolux washers save up to 16 gallons of water per load, conserving water without sacrificing cleanliness. We are proud to serve our neighbors in the South Bronx, Hunts Point, Mott Haven, Foxhurst, Woodstock, Longwood, and Concourse. Reach out for quick, effective, and high-quality laundry solutions. Take advantage of our new customer welcome offers, available 24/7. Get $15 off your first 25 pounds minimum order with code WASH15. Or receive a free laundry card with $15 added automatically. Schedule a pickup online and get your free time back. You can also get directions to our location at 700 Southern Boulevard and follow us on social media. Call us at 929-628-2845 to get started today.